Good day, children. Welcome to today's class. Today we'll begin with a new topic in drawing. Okay, children. Many years ago, millions of years ago, there lived some animals. They were very huge. They looked very dangerous. Do you know what were they called as? Yes, the dinosaurs. Yes, they were very huge. They were very big. Some had very long neck, very long legs. Some had wings. They could fly. So today we are going to learn how to draw a dinosaur. But we are going to use a number to draw the dinosaur. We are going to use number 7 to draw the dinosaur. Okay, so let's get started, children. The topic is dinosaur. Okay, so first you all will keep your book vertical. Okay, keep your book vertical and then you will draw the number 7. You can use a scale for drawing. Okay, draw the number 7. Next, what are you going to do is one end of the sleeping line. Okay, the starting point of this, draw, you will make a small curve. Can you see your small curve? Okay, then after that you will make a V shape. Can you see this V shape? Okay, after that again you will make a small curve. Can you see here? I made a small curve here again. Okay, small, very small curve, and then one sleeping line. Okay, but you will not draw all the way here. Okay, you'll stop where this V point is. Then there only you will stop that line. Okay, what is the next thing that you will do is, now we'll start with its legs. So draw one sleeping line here. Okay, then we have to just make one slanting line, which will look like its leg. Okay, then we'll do the upper part of the leg. So you'll make a curved line. You'll draw a curved line like this. Okay, and you will leave it. From here you will start and come down and meet that slanting line. Okay, you have not to join this part. Okay, this part you will not join. Okay, then we will do its stomach. Okay, so you will start where you had drawn the face, that V part. From there you will start and end it here, a curved line. Okay, can you see the stomach? Okay, now we'll draw its tail. Again, with the help of two slanting lines, you will draw its tail. Okay, start from here, go up and join it from here. Okay, now big eyes, big eyes for the dinosaur. Can you see here? Okay, just make one oval shape and then inside one more oval shape and then color that black. Okay, so two eyes over its head. Now sharp teeth. Okay, so draw zigzag. This is called as zigzag. Okay, so that way you will draw its teeth. Okay, now next, a horn on its face. Can you see a horn? Okay, now we will do its spike. Okay, so spike also same way, zigzag but little bigger than what you did for the teeth, right? So zigzag here as well as on the tail. You can do little smaller. Okay, tail you can do little smaller. So these are called as the spikes. Okay, now we'll draw some circles. Okay, small circles, but you will not draw the circles on the face, this mouth part and the stomach part. Okay, leave that and little part of the leg. Okay, leave that and remaining you draw small circles. Don't draw too many. Okay, few only you will draw, so that your work will be neat. If you will try to draw too many, it will become untidy. Okay, little spacing you do, and don't draw too many circles, it will look very untidy. Few circles. So on the body part you can draw little bigger. Okay, on the body part you can draw little bigger, and on the tail part you can draw little smaller. Okay, so we have almost completed the drawing part. Now we'll start the coloring part. We'll start with the stomach first. Okay, so stomach I have colored yellow, but you will stop half the way. Okay, once you come here to the curved line, you will stop. Okay, once you come here to the curved line of the leg, you will stop. Okay, then you will take light green. Okay, first what you will do, you will mix up light green and yellow here. Okay, little shading you will do. If you will see very closely, I have lightly, don't press your crayon too much. Okay, lightly do the mixing of yellow and green. Okay, and then the remaining body part also you will color full green. Okay, then next the tail. Okay, the tail also half the way you will do yellow, half part you will do yellow, and the remaining part you will do green. Again same way you will do mixing here in the middle. Okay, mixing of the color, very lightly you press the color, green color, and then when you go upwards, then you make it little dark. Okay, same way here also. First I started pressing very lightly, then as I went further, I press the crayon so that it will look, the effect of the color will be proper. Okay, now after you finish this, what are you going to do is, you will color all the circles brown. Okay, you will color all the circles brown. Do it nicely, don't be in a hurry to do it. Just slowly, one circle brown and inside one dot, that's it. That, see, if you do one nicely, you do the circle first, do the outline, then do you in the middle. You do, if you do, if you try to do fast, it will become untidy. Okay, then color the horn also brown. Okay, color the horn also brown. Can you see here? Color the horn brown. Okay, now we will do the spikes. Now spikes also same way, you will use the same brown color to do the spikes. So the dinosaur is ready using number 7. We have used number 7. Can you see here? Yes. So you can do many drawings using different numbers. Okay, so try out some drawings using numbers. Okay, see you in the next class, children. Thank you so much. Sai Ram.